Howdy, Mike McCoy here. I was going to do a little more videoing on the old mill. Here's my chipper. That's a 58-inch Mobart 3-knife chipper. The reason them tools is laying there, we've got the starter off that Cummins. That's 250 Cummins. And the starter was bad on it, and we just took it to get rebuilt. Should get back there tomorrow. There's a conveyor. Conveys the slabs in. And here's a conveyor that conveys the lumber out. Here's a shot. It's so dark back through there. I'll have to get back here and show you. And over there's my rig. It makes 3-phase power. Phase converter, I guess you call it. That's 25 horsepower motor. And that bank of whatever you call them things, capacitors. It'll come to me, trust me. And this is the edger. This is a minor edger. Back here, of course, see what you're doing. Wide be a little better. There's the edger. This lever right here, see it moving? That determines the width of your board. That weight right there keeps your belt tight. Here's the roll bed for the lumber. And when I bought this mill, it had chains on it back there, and that was a live roll bed, but I didn't like that. Mother couldn't keep up with it. She said, take them old chains off there. And naturally, this is the carriage. There's a new valve right in there we put on. That's the wheel. That's the first slab that this sawmill ever cut. But and saw cab, it's homemade. I've got an air conditioner in it and a heater. And I think they call that feed a Barry feed, Tyrone Barry or something other. But it works real good. It's hydraulic, and that's it right there. It's got a, you can see how it chains work down there. There's the pump, and it just works good, you know. Gives very little trouble. Naturally, there's the old saw. There's the off bar belt, and it is power. Here's the dust doodler. We rebuilt it. I done a video on it. You know, and it's fed to that belt. And there's a pulley in the belts. Them belts ain't too old. And over there's the air compressor. It's 10 horsepower. 671 diesel. And that is a true power unit. I rebuilt it 2 years ago. And there's a jockey saw grinder. It goes with it. But this just shows you kinda this side of it, for I've never done much videoing over here. And you can see how far it'll blow them chips. It blowed that mountain of chips over there. And I've got a knife grinder up at the house. I need to get a video of it. And whoever gets this thing, if you want the shed, you can have it. For the shed will probably have to be tore down to get the mill out. Be my guess. But this is the mill. And Minor Edger, Medrian, Mississippi. They're not there no more. What you call it, bought them out. I'm having a brain fart. It'll come to me. That sawmill place here in North Carolina, Bill Sawmill, they bought them out. So you can still get parts for that. That's what you see. That chipper's never give a minute's trouble. And this old sawmill ain't give much trouble. And that's I forget who made the log deck. The log deck works good out there, and the log turner. And carriage is probably 18 foot long. So, you know, it's just a good old meal for what it is. It ain't no new meal. Meadows Mill is the ones that bought that at. But this is the arm. Carries iron, electricity to the carriage. You can see where he comes down there. So. And what you see is what you get. The only thing don't go is my tools over there, and there's a speed gauge that I don't own. But like all the saw wrenches, I think Mother's gonna keep her little electric saw. But that jockey grinder, it goes. And that leaf blower, it don't go. But everything that pertains to the mill goes. So. Fella asked me to, you know, take some pictures so he could see it. You can see how big the saw mandrel is. It's a good size mandrel. I'd say that thing's close to 3 inches. Probably 10, 12 foot long. Good size wheels on the carriage. It's just a good old sawmill. Getting down to the last days. Makes me a little sad, but that'll be alright. Kinda exciting too. And I want to say that that chipper has got a 22-inch throat. I may be wrong. I've got the handbook for it up there too. And I need to pressure wash it for all that dirt you see. I ain't come off that other motor it was there. Mother's over here doing firewood. She's sawing up some of this stuff. Let's go see what Mother's up to. See if we can get a word out of her. See her there. She's looking all important and stuff. There's the sawmill dog. He's happy to be here. Give account of yourself, Mother. Your fans wants to know what Mother has been up to.
I've been busting wood. I know if you take my wood buster up there, you've got the ones got the thing on.
You mean you trust me with your wood buster?
Well, I might, well, I guess.
You ain't got no choice in the matter, have you? Mother likes her old wood buster. Chad got that thing down, tuned that up this last weekend. I don't believe it run that good when it was new, did it?
It does good.
So, she's happy. Took my ash logs and sawed them up. But they wasn't much ash logs.
They got, is that them little things that's killing them, them little long things, little
Yeah.
long things?
Yeah.
Oh, there's everywhere.
Yeah. Emerald borer. So.
Was that the, I mean, they look like 1,000 legs. You know, the 1,000 legs worm?
Really?
Yeah, they're about that long. Yeah, they're. And
I guess that's them. I don't know.
I don't either, but it was full of them in the bark.
I ain't no bugologist.
I ain't either, but
They're gonna.
I know
They're gonna get a fiery death if they get in that stove.
I hope they get out before they get in that stove. I don't want them in the house.
No.
'Cause
Well,
they're really quick.
I'll get off from here and get this hooked up. And here's a shot of the old sawmill. Talk at you later.